Hello, welcome to my channel today. And this is a King's Tutor. You're joining us for the first time. Thank you for clicking to this. Ensure you like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel. Okay. Now today we want to see a question as regards ratios. Okay. Now let's solve this question. The question said this balance sheet as at 31st December 2011. At the debit side, left-hand side, we have ordinary share capital 200,000, 8% preference share capital 100,000. General reserve 80,000, 5% debenture 30,000, credit of 20,000, all sum up to be 400,000. While at the right hand we have goodwill, motor van, equipment, stock, debtors, everything sum up to be 400,000. Now the question said the current ratio is dash A 6.5:1, 3.7:1, C 3.5:1, D 3:1. While the second question said the ratio of current assets to total asset is A 1:5.4, B 1:3.4, C 1:3.1, and D 1:2.5. Okay, so we're asked to solve this. Now, before we proceed on how to solve this, I said the current ratio. Now, what's the current ratio? What does it stand for? The current ratio has a formula for current ratio is given as the current assets divided by the current liabilities. Okay, the current assets divided by the current liability. Now, in this situation, now what is our current asset? Okay, now the current assets are just the stock, debtors, and the bank. Okay, so if we add them together, 56,000, which is the stock, 56,000 plus 60,000 plus 14,000, it will give us 130,000 divided by all the current liability. The current liability in this situation is just the creditor. Okay, the debenture is a long term, so the current liability is just the what? The creditor, which is what? 20,000. Okay, so if we divide, we have 0 here, we have 0 here. So 13 divided by 2, 13 divided by 2 will give us 6.5. So it would be 6.5 is to 1. 6.5 is to 1. Okay, so 2 here, 1, 2 in 13 is what? 6.5. So it is 6.5 is to 1. So let's check if we have that. Okay, it is A, with a 6.5 is to 1. So A is our answer. Okay, now the next one said the ratio of current assets to total assets. Ratio of current assets to what? Total assets. So we said the ratio of current assets to total assets. Okay, just using this abbreviation, ratio of current asset to total assets. Okay, so now it will appear thus current assets is to total asset. Okay, that's what the ratio. Current asset is to total asset. Now, what's the current asset here? It's still the same thing. Stock, debtors, and what? And bank, and they sum up to be 130,000 is to now total asset. Now, what's the total asset here? Total asset is everything here, which sum up to be what? 400,000. Okay, so to get this now, if we divide through by the what? The minimum, which is 130,000. We divide both sides by 130,000. Now, if this cancels this, we have 1 is to 0 cancel 0. So we have 400 divided by 130. So if we use our calculator, 400 divided by 130, we have 3.076. So if we approximate 1 is to 3 points, approximate it 3.1. Okay, so it's 1 is to 3.1. So if we have it here, C is the answer. So that's how we solve this question. Okay, thank you for watching this. Ensure you like, comment, share, follow us on different platforms. We're on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and on YouTube. Okay, thank you very much. Now I want to recommend other videos on this for you. Now watch this video, each of you. Thank you.